And we just got a bonus on Birds of Prey, extra bonus wilds. 1 cent denomination, $1 bet. Here we go. We need those birds to come down and give us all the wilds. Anytime now would be great. Like, come on. Oh, there we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them came out. Like a whole flock of them. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. In the front. Thank you. One more, thank you. Oh, perfect. Nine wilds added. Awesome. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's pretty good. Fireworks going going off up there. This has been a fantastic Las Vegas trip for me. Just let it play on. We only have one more spin, so. Super. I highly recommend if you are ever in this area to come to Laughlin, because every casino we've been at in Laughlin I've hit on, so it seems like they have pretty loose slots here, unless it's just my lucky week. Alright, $34.50 on a $1 bet, not bad. That was Birds of Prey extra bonus wilds at Golden Nugget in Laughlin, Nevada. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we are still at Golden Nugget in Laughlin, and I'm betting max bet on more hearts. $2 a spin. Just got a bonus. Let's do it. Let's get it. We need hearts to come up. Trying to be discreet. Security is walking around. Come on, hearts. Where are we at? We got 5. We need I got 4 more spins. So, I don't know. It's not looking too good to get any more hearts. Oh, there we go. Wow. So now we got 3 reels, but I only have
More hearts.
2 games remaining. But hopefully we get something big. We've already got 52.75. Last spin was pretty good. Pretty good spin for the last one. Oh no, I still have one more. I didn't realize I had one more. 59.25. More hearts. Alright, we'll do one backup spin.
Should we get you anything to drink?
I'm good, thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for more hearts and the nugget.